Hey mates! This might be one of the most underrated travel destinations in the world. Today we're taking on a unforgettable journey through Western Australia. We found crystal clear beaches, insane ocean views and charming town of Busselton with the longest jetty in Southern Hemisphere, incredible food and chocolate and even an underwater observatory. How cool is that? Let's go! Here we are at the Busselton Jetty. First stop, Busselton. And this place is home to something seriously cool. The Busselton Jetty is the longest wooden jetty in the Southern Hemisphere, nearly 2 kilometers long, and yes, you can walk it. But we took the better option, the solar train, powered by the sun, and honestly such a fun experience. At the end of the jetty, things get even better. There's this underwater observatory where you can go below the surface and see marine life up close. No diving needed, it's calm, surreal, and honestly kind of magical. After that, we definitely earned some food. We stopped at the Shelter Brewery in Cole. Great vibes, amazing food, and local craft beer right by the ocean. This is what travel is all about. Next stop, Dunsborough Beach, and wow, this place is a vibe! Hello and welcome in Dunsborough. The water is super calm, incredibly clear and perfect for just relaxing. No rush, no stress. Just ocean, sun and good energy. There are barely any crowds, which already makes it feel like a hidden spot. The water is really shallow and gentle, so if you're traveling with kids, this place is kind of perfect. What's really cool is how the sandbanks form in the water. You can actually walk out pretty far. It almost feels like you've got your own private little beach out there. Definitely one of those places where you just slow down and enjoy the moment. Welcome to Yallingup. Then we headed to Yallingup, and this might be one of the most dramatic spots on the trip. Canal Rocks. Waves crashing through narrow rock canals. The sound, the power, the views, it's insane! Definitely one of those places that looks better in real life. The coolest part about these massive rock formations is that they're connected by a walking platform, so you can actually walk from one rock to another right above the ocean. It's one of those spots that feels powerful, but still super accessible. Okay, time for something sweet. First, Margaret River Chocolate Company. And if you're in the Margaret River region, don't forget to stop by to taste some of the famous Margaret River chocolate. It's a must. Free samples, tons of chocolate, and honestly, we went a little overboard. The factory is one of Western Australia's most popular tourist attractions, drawing over 1 million visitors each year. It first opened in 1999 on a dairy farm and has grown into a well-known chocolate brand across Australia. Today it produces hundreds of different chocolate products, from bars and truffles to sauces and novelty treats. What you can experience? The chocolate viewing windows, where you can watch chocolate being made. There is also a chocolate cafe serving desserts, cakes, meals and drinks, with an outdoor seating and scenic surroundings. Absolutely amazing place, so peaceful and quiet for you and your family. There's also some free samples, so don't forget to try that. And here's another chocolate place worth trying out. Let's see! Then we checked out Gabrielle Chocolate, more artisanal bean-to-bar chocolate with really rich flavors. The first thing you notice when you walk in is the smell. It's incredible, like instantly makes you hungry. They've got this viewing window as well where you can actually watch the whole chocolate making process, which is pretty fascinating. And outside, there is a real nice sitting area where you can chill with a coffee and some chocolate. If you're with kids, they're sorted too. There is a big playground, so everyone's happy. Just a short stop after that, Providor. Right out front we even spotted some cactus, which was actually such a cool surprise. The shop itself is surrounded by grapevines used for their own wine production, and the whole area is just peaceful. Like the kind of place where you don't feel rushed at all, you just want to stay and relax. There are also little farm touches everywhere. Chickens walking around, orange trees, small gardens. It all feels very real and grounded. Inside you can even do a wine tasting if you're up for that, which is a nice bonus. And if you love food in general, Providor is a must. Local products, sauces, jams, perfect place to grab something special. You can't come to Margaret River without trying the wine. We visited Bas Felix, one of the oldest wineries in the region. And yeah, it did not disappoint. Beautiful setting, amazing wines, and such a relaxing atmosphere. However, it was not exactly what we were looking for when you travel with kids. Therefore, we went to the swings and roundabouts, a more laid-back spot with great food and a really fun vibe. This is the kind of place you come and end up staying way longer than planned. There are many playgrounds for the little ones to keep them busy while they can enjoy some amazing flavors. The place has a huge garden set on a gentle hill with a really nice view. Even when it looks busy, there is so much place that it never feels crowded. If you're with kids, you're going to love it. Plenty of room to run around and just be free. There is also an outdoor barbecue area, which adds to the relaxed hangout vibes. It's one of those places where you can easily spend a whole afternoon without even realizing it. And finally, Eagle Bay Beach. This place feels unreal. Turquoise water, soft white sand, and almost no one around. It's peaceful, raw, and honestly one of the most beautiful beaches we've ever seen. Margaret River region completely surprised us. Less crowded than the East Coast, but just as beautiful, if not more. If you're looking for beaches, food, wine, and unforgettable views, this is it. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know which spot was your favorite. We'd love to hear from you. And we'll see you in the next one. See you, mate!